They only have the toy. Oh. These. They didn't have these before. This one is cool. I had this before when I came here. So they have this one. It usually has prices on $14.95 for this. And then this one is $20. Wow. Let's see what else they got. Oh, they have more over here. They have some puzzles and Rubik's Cube. Look at all of these. They have like a tie-dye one. Can't really hear it. They have a yellow one, a teal, and a purple. And I believe these are $7.95. They used to have mini brands here, but now they only have the toy. Oh, look at that. We found mini brands at Barnes & Noble. But you guys already know that because I did a video before and they had these. Ma. Oh, what's this? A moon ball? I don't know if that's a fidget. We have Zuru's rainbow corn. And we have some. These feel so good. This feels good too. My luck. This is the one that's discontinued.
Oh, okay.
I have two of them.
You saw them pockets over there, right?
Yeah, they don't sell them no more. Only at down south stores like Ross. I always thought that these were very cool. These mega formers. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. These are super, I can't believe they still sell them. We used to get these all the time at Toys R Us. I miss Toys R Us. Mom, remember this?
I saw all those pockets.
Yeah. These were here before when I came, but look how many they have. So many. Yeah, guys, they pretty much have the same stuff. I kind of want to start collecting these. These are so cute. Imagine having these in our mini brand store to go shopping. Aww.
I like this.
It's like a village, but it only comes with one piece. They are so cute. I was saying like they should shop in the mini brand store. And then they have the food sets. Look at this. I thought this was a big pea popper, but it's actually blind bag babies. That's how they look. I'm gonna get one of those one day. They're called pea pod babies. Like a camera, and when you look through it, okay,
They have different colors.
Mommy, these are $14. Look, guys, $14. I guess because of this and the design. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cool. It's like a tree, but it's like a Rubix. Oh, and they have these.
Oh, you can go ahead.
You guys, this is so cool. But this is so much cooler. I never saw a Rubik's like this.
Oh, it's a Rubik's tree.
Yeah, and you can open it. That's so cool.